today I will teach you how to use HTML5. But before that, let us know what is HTML5. So what is HTML5? In this video, we are going to know what is HTML5 and how we are going to use this to create web pages. So let us explore. So HTML5 is the fifth and latest major version of HTML or hypertext markup language. So remember that it is just a markup language, so it doesn't talk about programming and the beginners can use it freely and safely. So remember, it is a hypertext. It doesn't talk about programming. So it is also the standard language for creating and structuring web pages. It was developed to address the limitations of earlier versions of HTML. So yes, HTML5 is just a common HTML, just the latest version to address the limitations of earlier versions of it. So to provide modern features for web applications. So let us know what are the applications that we can use in creating web pages using HTML5. So we have here the Visual Studio Code. We can utilize these applications to create web pages using HTML5, but we can also use the Notepad in our laptop or our PC. So let us download this Visual Studio Code. So if we are going to download this app, it will directly lead us to this picture. This is the section that will show when we are going to download the Visual Studio Code application, so we can choose whether we will download it on Windows, on iPhone, or a Deb or RPM. So let us download this with Windows because we are using a laptop in creating web pages using HTML5. So let us just wait until it will finish downloading. Once we are done downloading the Visual Studio Code, let us know how to use these applications to create HTML file using HTML5. Let us explore. So, as you open the application, this will the one that will show. Just click the X and welcome. And since we have already the folder, I have already created a folder since I am done downloading this app and created a folder just for installing this app for the sake of this video. So for the sake of this tutorial. So yes, let's create a file using the folder. So I have created first website.html. So always remember that the one that we created in the Visual Studio Code is connected to our file explorer in our laptop. So let's see if it is connected. So yes, this is the folder, my HTML5 file, then the file first website. So let us see. As you can see, the file is empty because we are not yet done creating our HTML file using Visual Studio Code. So let us type in this yes, Visual Studio Code. So first is the doc type. Do not forget the close and open bracket because it is the standard. Next is the HTML. It is pair because it is the standard. Then next is the header. Then header means the title of your file or the web page that you are creating. So if you are typing here, don't forget to refresh here for it the two were connected. So next is the head, then the body. So it is pair because as what I've said, it is the standard, and that's how HTML works. So yes, the body is consisted of a paragraph. So P means paragraph. So in paragraph, we have written here, this is my first file. HTML file. After creating this or after writing this, just Control S to save your file, and it will appear here in our this what we called file explorer in our laptop. So the advantage is that you don't need to edit in the file explorer because whatever you have written here will appear here. So yes, I have added I am Julita Pilatil. I love to sleep. I love to sleep. Then Control S and it will appear here. If you have observed, it will appear here. Yes, that is the word that I have written here. And if you are going to delete that, just Control S, as you can see now, just Control S, and it will vanish here. So that's how HTML work using Visual Studio Code. So thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something.